Hello amigos, we want to invite you to join Latincouver with the Latin American Heritage Month. We're starting now in October 1st until the end of the month. This is a very special opportunity for the Latinos in Canada that finally we have this month. The federal government actually commemorated in 2018, and it has been a huge effort of many years. We know that Senator Rosalba, she has been working very hard and the past Minister of Canadian Heritage, Pablo Rodriguez. So finally we have this month, and Latincouver is going to have beautiful events all the month. We're going to start on October 7 with the breast cancer, and all of these events are online. We know that there's a lot of things happening, and we're trying to make sure that we follow all the regulations. So a lot of these activities are going to be online. So we have the breast cancer October 7, we have Altar de Muertos, which is going to be at the Lonsdale Key Market. You're going to be able to see the altar, and it's our great artist Paloma Morales. She's going to be presenting that. We have also a commemorative mural that is going to be painted by Ari de la Mora, and many activities too. You're going to see encounter races, we're going to have it as well, and also the artists, Latin American artists are going to be presenting their work, and we're going to be finished actually with Pan de Muertos at Lonsdale Key Market as well. So please join us because we are excited. And we have a beautiful team here at Latincouver that are working extremely hard to make sure that we bring a little bit of our experience, a little bit of our culture to British Columbia. Muchas gracias, and we hope to see you there. Gracias.